got to make the call.
Your name is going to be... Why am I having so much trouble thinking of a name for this guy? I need a typical bird name. Name's gonna be... Name's Aaron. Alright, Aaron.
Well, because your
Oh,
glove is an
jeez,
early
the hell was
prototype,
that?
it has a few limitations in terms of dimension accessibility and the
Choppiness, no good.
in order to function.
That is a gross cat. Oh, another switch. Flip. Oh, that's right, it's click, not E. Shift in perspective. Damn it, I keep hitting E.
This is such an early experiment with dimensional shifting, so I decided
like
to
this
have it
noise.
triggered remotely with the drinking bird. Instead of operating a door, the bird will trigger a dimensional shift.
The bird's name is Aaron.
There's an IDS battery in
Aaron.
the machine that will power the dimensions.
Aaron,
Which in
hit
this
it.
case is Fluffy
Oh,
dimension.
Jesus
In addition to
Christ.
Fluffy being
Whoa.
adorable,
Okay,
it's also
scared the
rather
hell out of me.
useful because everything is 10
Oh, yeah,
times
that's
lighter
right.
than normal.
Ow. Alright, now how do I switch it? Nope. Alright, Aaron, hit it! Let's go! Ugh! Oh my god! Oh, that hurt my face. Hit it, Aaron. Alright. Shit. I guess I don't need them anymore. Oh, here we go. Aaron, hit it.
Though that looks like a regular scale, it is in fact a portable kinetic mass to electricity converter.
Here's some books, Aaron. Learn up. We're gonna be smart together. Huh! Got it. So nice. Something just broke. Ooh, a lamp. Maybe I can break the lamps. Yes! I'm happy. Another vase to break. Let's throw it at a wall. This is great. I like this game. Can I break a piece that I've already broken? Nope. Oh, hey, Aaron.
There's that lovely bird again.
Battery.
Sometimes
His name is Aaron,
I
Grandpa.
call him Desmond.
It's Aaron.
Something to note. Since you're holding a version
Aaron.
of the IDS device, you, in fact, are not you in an alternate dimension. Let me try that again. You
Please try it
remain
again.
constant. So no matter the dimension, your mass, shape, speed, and trying personality remain the same.
Let's go. Get off that slant. There we go. Hit it, Aaron. Aaron! Oh, come on, man.
You should throw that IDS battery into the receptacle mounted on the wall.
Throw it? Like, literally throw it? Where the hell's receptacle? Oh, up there? That thing?
That receptacle will distribute the power source around the room, allowing you to now use your IDS device to switch dimensions at your leisure.
I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, this game's gonna be really fun. Is there anything over here I can break? Yep. No, not the book. Not the book!
As I mentioned, dimensional rifts in the manor are magnified by the stabilizing
Hit
energy
this
from
guy.
the IDS receptacle.
Stop! Stop lagging. Oh, I missed him. I have no clue what the guy said. I just kind of stopped listening for a second there. Wow. Alright. Wee!
This is what
Wee!
when you're wearing
Right.
the IDS glove.
Flip it. Oh. Alright. Huckin' stuff.
That's DOLI, Dynamic Object Linear Ligation Interface.
I don't like it.
A cloning device. I like my house just so. So I decided to add functionality to her to keep everything...
Oh, I don't care. Holy shit!
I'll need to tune that later.
It scared me. Thanks, Dolly. Bitch. I need an IDS battery. There's one. Pick up this couch. Couching it! Couching it. No? What if I go like that? A couch, a table on top of a couch is not enough. What about a chair and a couch with a table? No? Okay, is there like a safe in here or what? What do you want me to do? Is that P? Dolly P? Yeah, I don't need to really do that. What if I take this guy and put him up there as well? No? Oh my god. Hup. Now? Alright, what do you want me to do? Oh, there's a safe here. Okay. Oh. Out of the way. Yep, there we go. Alright. Sorry, Grandpa, Uncle, whatever. For making your house messy. Oh, it's there. Just because.
These are my own particular hybrid beams of carbon dioxide,
Not making it.
neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet lasers using an alternating
that's
rate
not good.
configuration. Gives them an extra kick.
I need another safe. I destroyed the safe.